And to Let's Talk Chemistry with Pastor Dan. We're looking today at matter practice. We did matter yesterday, talked about different classifications. So we're going to practice that today. So here's my matter practice I have for you. Open it up. Here we go. All right. So we have homogeneous, heterogeneous, element, compound, mixture, or solution, solid, liquid, or gas. And I have 15 different substances I want you to go through. So pause the video, copy those all down. And then I do have 2 more abundance problems just to keep those intact. Okay, so we'll be good to go there. All right, so get those copied down. And when I'm talking about iced tea, I'm not talking any ice. All right, no ice in it all. When I'm talking about natural orange juice, I'm talking the substance with pulp in it. Couple things these might mess you up. Iodine might mess you up, and mercury might mess you up. So you might need to go back and look someplace, maybe check the internet to see what they look like, and so that way you can identify specifically their faces. All right, so you have all that down. Awesome. So let's go to the answers. All right, here we go. Answers for matter. So those are our answers there. You'll see that mercury is a liquid, a natural liquid. You see iodine's a solid. Now, wait a minute. When I get a cut, my mom puts iodine. That's actually iodide, potassium iodide or other kind of iodide salt put onto the wound to help disinfect. It's not pure iodine, or it's iodine dissolved in an alcohol. Again, milk, we talked about heterogeneous mixture liquid. And then there is our abundance, 235.7 U, because of sig fig's first decimal place. And then for argon, 40 and 35, it's 98.96% and 1.04%. Hopefully that wasn't too bad. Should I talk about something? Let's talk about the word, the importance of the word. God gave us a word for one thing and one thing alone. And that's to understand who He is and to show how much He loves us. It's the word that grounds us so that we don't get led astray. If there is a question about what we should do, how we should live, we always go to the word, and don't try to interpret it based on how you feel. Read what it says. God doesn't choose words lightly. God doesn't just say things arbitrarily. What He says, He means, and what He wants. And that's not because He's some kind of big killjoy out there trying to destroy your life and take away all your fun. He made you. He loves you. He knows what's best for you. So as you read the Word, as you get into His presence in the Word, you get a sense of what He wants for you. And if your flesh doesn't agree with it, that's what it means by crucifying the flesh, to dying to self, listening to the word more than anything else. Jesus said in His word that unless a person hates his mother, father, sister, brother more than me, he is unworthy of the kingdom of heaven. And I never understood that till we came to this point in time. People think, well, you're not very loving if you say these things. Well, I am loving because I have to love God's word more. And God's word doesn't change because God's word is set on truth. So that is where we're at. And understand it's because of my love for you that I tell you the truth, that you need to get into the word, you need to read the word. And if you don't understand it, if things don't make sense to you, don't discount it. It's what my mother-in-law and father-in-law say, put up on the shelf for a while. Let God speak to you about it. But don't ever say it's not truth, because God's word is always true. All right, very short, very quick. Hopefully that wasn't too bad. Take care. God bless.